I can film you. Hi guys, this is Ashley. I'm gonna ask her some questions. So this is a dressed up 3 bedroom unit. Nice. Yeah, so this is the ultra luxury, ultra premium, how the one percenters live. And it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. And the detail and the craftsmanship, it really shows. What's up guys? So yes, I'm in desperate need of a haircut, that's for sure. Here's 5 cool details about this place that you won't find in many countries, let alone many places. So
I could probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is for my time. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to, as long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is for my time. Oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is all my time.
what's up guys? So we're at the Proscenium residences at the Proscenium at Rockwell. I actually have a rental unit over in Lincoln Tower, and I'm currently at the Proscenium Residences Tower. It's one of the newest ones. Here's 5 cool details about this place that you won't find in many countries, let alone many places. So one thing that's great about these is they have an automatic door closer feature built into the top of the door. The doors are generally solid core doors for soundproofing, so they're heavier and they're thicker, and they are just a lot better at canceling noise. If you look at the floor and you look at the way that they have built it, it's very like airtight in terms of like the way they caulk it and the way they just the craftsmanship is very it's just very complete is the best way to put it. Like if you compare it to like different types of builders and craftsmanship with the fine details and the finish, the fine details are spot on with the way they've caulked everything. It's airtight and it's just honestly decadent and beautiful. Some other details with the finishings. Not all of the units in all of the towers have balconies, so when you have one of those, that's also very nice. The flooring is also very beautiful, and the ceilings are very high as well. And also the bathrooms, the stones they choose, and the materials they choose are also just like so much better than average, just way above average. So those are a couple details and insights for you that make this place very special and very unique and very desirable for sure.
Time I want nothing to do with you.
speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in. You say I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
I can film you. Hi guys, this is Ashley. I'm going to ask her some questions. So this is a dressed up 3-bedroom unit. And so this is a 3-bedroom, fully dressed up unit at the Proscenium Residences at the Proscenium at Rockwell. And Ashley, what is roughly in pesos and in US dollars the approximate investment or cost for this?
So this is a 147 square meter unit. It's a 3-bedroom, and then it's 57,600,000 pesos, or in dollars, that would be around 980,000.
Nice. Yeah, so this is the ultra luxury, ultra premium, how the 1%ers live, and it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, and the detail and the craftsmanship, it really shows. So this has 2 balconies.
Yes, one in the masters and then one here in the living and dining.
Yep, and I think I saw like a maid's room behind the kitchen. Is that for like washer, dryer, and potentially, I'm not sure if there's room back there, but there is an extra bonus bathroom and storage place there. Maybe could be. Do you happen to know when this tower was just started turning over? Was it 2019 or 20?
Started turning over last year, June 2021. Slowly turning over the unit starting from the 5th floor. And then right now we're turning over the units that are on the 50th floor. So by December, we'll have fully turned over all units.
Beautiful. Okay, that's awesome. Great. Well, we're gonna check out one that's a little bit smaller. Yeah, we're excited to do it. So let's go.
Someone had told me that I will be strong. I'm gonna rise and fly, and leave the gold between the lines. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I want it to. You say I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly, and leave the gold between the lines. Whatever you do, what we were, now he's my silver lining. Whenever you call, what you say, you're nothing but a gold ring. To be true, say I do, but you're no one I needed in life. Oh, that is why you are stuck between the lines. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, oh, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, oh, I'm gonna rise and fly, and leave the
Okay, Ashley. So what's the breakdown on this place?
So this one's a 60 square meter 1-bedroom unit. This costs 25 million pesos, or about 430,000 US dollars.
Okay. And this one has 2 split AC units, 1 bathroom, a pretty good sized bedroom, has the wardrobes included. No balcony on this one, but gorgeous floor to ceiling windows when you first walk in with an enormous amount of natural light. So our appliances included on this one?
So for this unit, only the range hub is part, but then for the bathroom, all the fixtures are already included.
Okay, so for the bathroom, everything is included for the fixtures, and then you would need to get a refrigerator, washer and dryer, and a Ranger stovetop cooking oven for this particular unit. What's up, guys? So yes, I'm in desperate need of a haircut, that's for sure. And for some reason, freckles on my face are just revealing themselves today. But all of that aside, what's great about looking at a naked unit, I am not an interior designer, but I would consider an amateur interior designer. In places that I've purchased in the past, I've decked out like many bedrooms before in my past real estate investments. And I've done a pretty good job just looking at pictures and magazines to draw inspiration and taking measurements. Something I would do like this. Like, I love looking at a naked unit like this because I just know that my style and taste are unique. I'm definitely modern and contemporary, and I generally stick to that like clean kind of look. And at the same time, I can be a little flexible depending on what's going on. I also like industrial and rustic to a degree. So sometimes I try to incorporate that into what I do. But I have a future video coming out very soon about the ultimate guide to Makati and Manila, Pasig, BGC, ultimate condo living. So I can't wait to release that. And in that future video that's coming out soon, I'm going to share with you some very good thought processes and mindsets and strategies for how to rent a condo or buy a condo in the right place and at the right location and at the right price and all that stuff. So yeah, it's fun to look at units like this and to think to yourself like how you would, what kind of bedding you would get. Like for me, if I was going to live here as a permanent resident a long time, if I could see the future and I just knew that, I would invest in really nice stuff like Dyson vacuums, like an LG OLED TV, like a Samsung QLED TV, yeah, like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, Dyson vacuums, all this type of stuff. I would just get really nice smaller appliances to add into a place like this that already has great bones, and you wouldn't need to do anything really. It's pretty much move-in ready except for any super specific customizations that would require like a carpenter's touch who has those trade skills if you don't possess those yourself, or you don't want to look at the DIY YouTube videos. But it's always good to have a professional, especially when you're not also in your home country, to look at the situation and give you an opinion. And we have the AC currently set to off in here, and I can feel the sweat dripping out of my body. So we're gonna go back into the AC, and then we'll include any final thoughts we have about this. So yeah.